Okay, so I went through and I looked at your paper and I'm a little confused, but let's just try to do a couple of them. Okay, so if you have a mixed number means we have a fraction, or we have a whole number, and we have a fraction. 2 3/4. Okay, I want to make an improper fraction. An improper fraction means that this numerator is bigger than the bottom. Okay, so the bottom is smaller and the top is bigger. Okay, to do that, we need to do some multiplying and then adding. We're going to make this into two quick problems. To find the improper fraction, we are going to multiply the denominator by the whole number. So 2 times 4 equals 8. Okay, now we're done with these. We're done with this one for sure. Now I have this 3. Guess what I do with that 3? I'm going to add that 3 right here. So 8 plus 3 is 11. Now, what happens every time? Our denominator never changes. 11/4. Okay, let's show you that again. 2 3/4. So if I have 2 3/4, 4 times 2 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Denominator stays the same. And if I have 1 and 2 sixths, 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is 8. My denominator stays the same, so I get 8/6. Okay. If I have 4 and 2 ninths, 9 times 4, 36. There's 7, 38. 38 ninths. You notice bigger, bigger, and bigger. Okay? So I'm going to go over one of the problems that you did. The problem was, let's look right here. You had 1 and 5/8. So 1 and 5/8. Okay, let's go back to my board here. 1 and 5/8, it says to make it into a improper fraction. The answer you gave was 16/5. Okay, so I don't know where the 16 or the 5 came from. But if we take 8 times 1, it's 8, plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13/8. Okay? We could do a whole slew of these. We could have 7 and 4/5. 7 times 5 is 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 39/5. 2 and 1/2. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 5/2. So if we look at this, 5/2. If I have, there's 2 pieces, there's 2 pieces, 2 pieces, 2 pieces. So I have 5/2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do I have? There's 1 hole, there's 2 holes, and there's a half. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/2. I have 5/2. Okay, sorry if we can't see that. So that's where if we have that 1 and 5/8, 1 and 5/8. So this means I have a whole, and then I have 5/8. So 8 times 1 is 8. 13/8. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully this will help you. I don't know how you can redo assignments, but I'll ask Miss Skidmore. But this should be an easy one that you should be able to maybe do another sheet or ask her if you could do something different. Say that we kind of went through it. Okay, maybe I'll send you. Maybe in this email, I'm going to send you three or four problems that I want you to figure out and send back to me. You can do it on a email, or you can take a picture of it. Okay, so I will send this to you in just a second.